Join me as I take on the challenge of starting my dream business in 2025 and see if I can turn my vision into reality. If you're like me, you've been thinking about starting your own business for years, but maybe you're held back by fear, doubt, or simply not knowing where to begin. Well, I've got some good news for you. 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year for entrepreneurship, with new trends and opportunities emerging left and right. Whether you're looking to break free from the 9 to 5 grind, pursue your passion, or simply create a better work-life balance, starting a business can be a game changer. So, what's holding you back? One of the biggest obstacles aspiring entrepreneurs face is funding. How do you turn your brilliant idea into a reality when you don't have the cash to back it up? It's a problem that's plagued many a would-be business owner, and it's easy to get discouraged when you're constantly worried about making ends meet. But here's the thing. Funding is just one of many challenges you'll face on your journey to success. There's also the competition to consider. With so many businesses vying for attention, how do you stand out from the crowd and get noticed? And then, of course, there's the elephant in the room, market saturation. Is your business idea really unique, or is it just a rehashing of something that's already been done before? Another major hurdle is simply getting started. It's easy to get caught up in analysis paralysis, overthinking every little detail until you're too afraid to take the leap. But the truth is, the only way to really know if your business will work is to take action, to put yourself out there, to take risks, and to be willing to learn from your mistakes. And let's not forget the fear of failure. It's a very real fear, but one that can hold you back from achieving your true potential. So how do you overcome these obstacles and turn your business vision into a reality? What if I told you that there are business ideas out there that are practically begging to be tapped into? Ideas that are trending, ideas that are in high demand, and ideas that have the potential to bring in serious profits? One of them is e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, there's never been a better time to start an online store. Another is sustainable living. As more and more people become conscious of their impact on the environment, businesses that cater to this need are booming. And then there's the world of online education. With the internet at our fingertips, we have access to a wealth of knowledge and skills that can be learned from the comfort of our own homes. Of course, having a great business idea is only the beginning. The next step is to validate and develop it. This means doing your research, understanding your target market, and creating a solid business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It's not rocket science, but it does take some elbow grease and a willingness to put in the work. But trust me, it's worth it. When you have a solid plan in place, you'll be amazed at how quickly your business can take off. I want to share with you the story of someone who took the leap and started their dream business. Her name is Sarah, and she's a yoga instructor who was tired of working for someone else. She took the risk, invested in herself, and started her own yoga studio. Within a year, her business was thriving. She had a loyal client base and was even able to hire other instructors to help her run the studio. So, what was the secret to her success? Number 1, she identified a need in her community and filled it. Number 2, she was willing to put in the hard work and take risks. And number 3, she stayed focused and committed to her vision. Sarah's story is just one example of what's possible when you take the leap and start your own business. Of course, it's not always easy. There will be setbacks, failures, and times when you'll want to give up. But the key is to stay focused on your vision, to keep pushing forward, and to always be willing to learn and adapt. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Starting a business in 2025 requires courage, determination, and a willingness to take risks. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be incredible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below about your own business ideas. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to learn more about entrepreneurship and starting your own business, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and inspiration.